let's talk about Google Ads. If you don't know how to use AI for your Google Ads, you're going to miss out a lot of things, because when you logged into your Google Ads, you will see they already assigned an AI assistant to help advertiser to get some idea instantly using like question answer or giving any kind of issue. Maybe you have some policy issue, you can directly ask on that Google Ads platform with their AI assistant, which is they're already working on it, and they make it as beta. So I believe this kind of shift will happen every single stage of businesses, jobs, everywhere. So if you are aware of these, if you are ready to adopt, if you are ready to understand what is prompt engineering, how these things work, and the right understanding, I'm not going to say you to master everything, just right understanding, get the knowledge how things are happening. Don't be fear about the thing. Try to understand what's happening, why happening, and how, and those who were making those AI platform, why they're making, and what kind of benefit you are going to get from them. These are very simple, but if you know it clearly, you're going to be the ahead of your competitors. So it's a huge benefit, you know. Think about this. If you know all these things in a very surface level, that's perfect. Now you know that what to do and when to do, but how to do, you don't know. You may hire someone who can do the same thing for you. One single setup can help you for long. So this is really important. Before your computer do all this kind of thing, like automate their workflow, making everything faster, like their email marketing faster, maybe their customer support very faster using AI bot. So if you are doing this before your competitor, you are going ahead. You are going to get more revenue, get more market share based on your action. Otherwise, your computer will kill you. It's true. So be careful about AI. Try to learn it. Don't be fearful about this AI era, because this happened. You cannot stop it. What started, there is no ending. It will improve day by day. So if you improve yourself with this AI improvement, you're going to win the game. And that's the today's video's main summary. Try to use AI, not to be fearful. Try to use it as like your friend. Talk to AI to find your solution, not to be fearful about AI, because it's nothing that you can change. So that's it. Thanks for watching.